Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over how you'd replace your license plate light bulbs. So to start with, you're going to need to pop the trunk, press this little button that will unlock the trunk, then we can raise it up. Once you have it raised up, there is this cover that sits on here like this, and you would remove that. It's a bunch of push pins all the way around and one little handle just to pop that off, and then you can pull this away. And then right here with the blue caps here, these are the light bulbs for the license plate. So you're just going to turn them a quarter turn to counterclockwise and be able to pull that down, pull the light bulb out, and get you a new light bulb to put in here. The license plate bulb is, it's a 12961 or a 5W5. So I have a new bulb, and you'll just take it, line it up, and press it in, just snap it into place. And then you're going to line that back in the tab, quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. And that's how you would replace your license plate bulb on your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.